And so, you guys look, if I focus, it's still in progress, so unfortunately, no, we are not monetized yet. I finished editing Vlogmas Day 5 before 8 a.m. Go me. What's up, you guys? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. I think today is the 6th, so yeah, we're on day 6. I don't know what today is planned. I know Kevin's going to finish doing the mudding on the wall, so that's not going to be exciting. I might, maybe, if he'll let me, decorate my, well, actually there'd be no rule. There's no point to decorate my studio right now because it's not going to be my studio. Well, maybe you guys will come with me and we will tear down my studio. And we shall be out of this house probably, I think he said April. So I'm not looking forward to that. He also said my makeup looks like a, what's that droopy dog or whatever that's on like Disney, or does anybody know what I'm talking about? No. I think he was just being mean. I kind of like it. I mean, I rushed to do it, but whatever. I accidentally did choose the wrong color to go underneath, so. We do have, it's not very exciting. I forgot to fold them today, you guys. But we have eggs going, and we are about to eat breakfast, and then we are going to take the dogs and then get on with our Sunday fun day. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. How'd you get an empty dog treat bag, man? Oh, man, look at you. Just like, well, can I eat it? There's nothing in there. There's nothing in there, Goose.
Oh yeah, it's gonna start nice now.
Hey,
Goo goo baby, goo goo child.
That was cute, girls. One out, let one in. Go back out. Would you like back inside? I think somebody's camera shy. Okay. Those still have to get donated. Crock pot's going. That red bin's going. That's going. That's an empty box. That kitchen box is going. Where can I say this? I mean, it's not terrible, right? So, yeah. It's now 1 o'clock. It's actually like almost going on 1:30. It's like 20 past 1:20. Yeah. And I got my truck all loaded and everything. As you can see, my makeup's gone. That's because I kind of cried it all off. Anyways, so the truck's all packed. We're taking whatever I could fit in the truck right now to the other house, because like I said earlier, and I had the days wrong, or the months wrong, he wants to actually be fully out of this house by the end of February, and this house be up on the market by April. So the messed up part is, just 2 years ago, roughly, I just moved all of my stuff out of the other house that I'm now moving it into. So yeah. Anyways, let's go for a drive, guys. You guys kind of stay right there, so you gotta see this dashboard. My bad. So, Little Caesars. So I've been really wanting to try that new Little Caesars, like cheeser pizza. I don't know, but it looks really freaking delicious, and it's something new. And why didn't they have that when I worked there? Because, like, no, they had some stupid pretzel crust bagel. What? Pretzel crust pizza. Ugh. The best thing that you could do with that was make like little pretzel bites and dip that in the nacho cheese, but not eat like the pizza with the nacho cheese. No. Ooh, and then they tried to do, it was like 2 pan pizzas or something like that. One side was like pepperoni, and then like the other side was a supreme pizza. It was like $13. That was the stupidest thing that, you know, they kind of came up with, but hey, they tried. Swoop. Well, I guess, you guys, home sweet home. So I have to, oops. Well, let's let some light in here. As I forgot, I parked on the side, so yeah. Where can I put you guys? Maybe, I don't know. It's right there. You guys good right there? I gotta get down like this to talk to you guys, but actually, so I'm gonna be taking all this stuff into my studio that is my studio at the very moment, but everything other than the clothes, everything is gonna have to come out of that room and go into an even smaller room. Actually, you know what? Just let me just show you guys really quick. So this right here is my studio. It's a complete disaster. Like, don't even look at my desk. I mean, there's crap all on the floor. And anyways, but so this closet's gonna stay. All my clothes is gonna be my closet. However, my desk, my makeup, everything is gonna go into this room. Do you know how small this room is compared to that room? I also would like, I wish it was bigger, because then I could keep, say, like, this desk and keep this as an actual, like, work desk for my computer and editing and everything. And so instead of trying to do it all on my actual, like, makeup desk, this is terrible lighting. Let's go back in here. So instead of trying to do it all on my makeup desk, I could have like 2 separate desks. But that room's definitely not big enough. And yeah, so we're gonna set you guys down. You're just gonna... And if you're still watching, anybody out there, thank you. And I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas. I don't do anything fun and exciting. This is an emotional and disaster. Close this door. I mean, alright, got the stuff brought in. Now what? Am I supposed to organize it? It's not that I don't want to. It's just, I don't know. And then I think this... It's not terrible. So we already have cups over here. This lighting is terrible. That one's not any better, to be honest, so watch this. So there is already cups and everything here, but they don't match. I think he said we're gonna keep the yellow. I don't know. This is kind of a cool cup. And it's like a little thin beer cup. So he did ask me to bring back... Ooh, we gotta be careful not to actually press that. That's our lens button. So he did ask me to bring back brownies and the ice cream. This is frozen food that we like stockpiled on for the winter. Except for these, we just froze brownies from Thanksgiving. Why not? You wanna know what's for dinner tonight? For the 3rd time? Take a guess. You watch many of my other Vlogmases. Yeah, we're having pizza again tonight. Except, it's gonna be a homemade pizza. Like, I'm gonna make the dough's already made. I bought a made dough. But you gotta form it and everything yourself. So, this is completely random, but these are all like unopened subscription boxes. So, I thought I would just open one really quick here on camera with you guys. Spoiler, I opened them all. This was a glossy box. Actually, it says it right there. And, I don't know, it's fancy. It says Midnight Fantasy. And it's a pretty nice box. Although Glossy Box does have some pretty good actual boxes. That's inside them, not always. But it came like a little present and it was wrapped in a little ribbon. Oh, looks like maybe you could have got Midnight Fantasy or Enchanted Spirits. I realize that my heat is on and it's loud. I don't know, somehow this sheet mask got opened and it's all over the inside. This was a Ciate London translucent setting powder that I could have gave to somebody because I already own it, but it's just, ew. It's so moist and it's just gross. We have a brightening purple mask, which I think I've tried this before and I didn't like it. This is just as disappointing as this whole entire video. Here's some cannabis sativa oil. The world's teeniest, tiniest lipstick. Yeah. This Sunday is not going well. What if it's all over? little mini pumpkin. What? I know it's supposed to be like the fall box, but that made a mess everywhere. That was kind of dumb. Trend mood. Some sunscreen. I don't even know what I got. Anastasia spray. Oh, here's another one. Here's a pineapple one. Lemon tea. Lemon mascara. I don't even remember getting this box. Now I have to clean this mess up. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little speed massive unboxing. I didn't really have fun because now I have to clean it all up, and now I realize how much more stuff that I have. That, anyways, let's just clean this up. Don't worry, you guys, I'm recycling all of this. If I was just gonna throw it away, I would have just grabbed a big trash bag. And I think I forgot to press record when I was doing the birch boxes, so unfortunately, yeah, you guys missed that. Now, it's cold. Oh, we took the ice cream out before doing that. Alright, we're gonna close up this house, head back to the other one. I don't know. I said I told you. Oh yeah, now it's dark. Hold on. I did tell you guys that I was gonna make a pizza, so I might bring you guys along. If not, you guys know the drill. Like the video, subscribe, and binge watch some content. I love you guys. If I don't make the pizza, I will see you in my next one. Bye. We almost forgot his ice cream and brownies. He would have been so sad and so mad. So I went back and I got them.